Blessed Sunday, everyone, February 23, 2025. And it is indeed a wonderful Sunday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin. Mga blessings na darating pa din kasama mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges, which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At syempre, pasalamatan natin yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at sa mga taong nakikimaritesan doon sa buhay natin na nag-i-inspire sa atin to do more with our life. Ayun. Shout out doon kina Glenda, Glenn Snow, and Pucci, RG Crane, Cecil Borges, Mama Lou, Luisa Susen, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Janet Panaagan, Aldi Calvadores ng Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, Inanim Papagsibigan, Jiman David, Igo Mayan, Mabel Andres, Elizabeth Guevara, Aileen Magla, Eds Macalina, Winnie Pierce, Santiago, Claire Glaidian, at siyempre sa lahat ng members ng The Order of the Nine Gates. Ripples of the day natin po is, no prestige nor treasure is worth enough in exchange for the loss of the love of a child. Ayun. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Sunday, everyone.